children, welcome to my class. Today's story is A Daring Escape. Who is escaping in this story? Let me tell you, children. The story A Daring Escape is set out at the time of French Revolution. Now, what was French Revolution? French Revolution was a revolution in which common people had revolted against the noble people. Noble people are those people who are from the high class of the society. So during the French Revolution, the common people had overpowered the noble people and they were killing the nobles for no reason. They were beheading the nobles. And even those, what do you mean by beheading, children? They had a kind of a machine with the help of which they used to behead the heads of people. They used to cut the heads of people. That machine was called as guillotine. So the common people, what they were doing, they were killing the innocent nobles for no reason, because the French Revolution had succeeded. So now children, in this story we will be reading about two incidences in which the nobles were able to fool the people of army and run away from France to London safely. So children, this particular there was a group of people who were actually trying to help the noble people in France, and the head of this person was Mr. Scarlet Pimpernel. He only used to help the people. So children, let's read it out. This is an excerpt from The Scarlet Pimpernel, which is a novel set out during the French Revolution. The French Revolution happened from 1789 to 1799, when the common people rose up against the nobles. As I already told you that in the French Revolution, the common people rose up against the nobles. During this reign of terror, thousands of people, including Louis XVI, the King of France, and thousands of other people were killed. So many people were getting killed during the French Revolution. The nobles and even people helping the nobles were instantly beheaded. What do you mean by beheaded, children? To cut the head off. Head cut off. This story is set out in latter half of revolution. The Scarlet Pimpernel is the mysterious leader of a group of English nobles who smuggled French aristocrats into England to save them from death. So now this Scarlet Pimpernel is the head of a group of English nobles. There were some people in England who were trying to help the French nobles. Okay. So Paris, this story is based out in Paris, which is the capital of France, and in September 1792. So children, let me tell you more, and in this we will be learning about two incidences when the noble were able to fool the people for army and reach London safely. Every evening before the city gates closed, the market carts would go out of the city. They went to bring fruits and vegetables from the nearby villages for the market next morning. So every evening before the city gates used to get closed, there were some carts which used to go out, market carts which used to go out of the city. Why did they go out of the city, children? In order to buy some fruits and vegetables for the next morning market. And almost every day some members of a noble family would try to escape in them. So why were children nobles trying to escape, trying to run away from there? Because the common people were killing them. Common people were beheading them. Okay. So now almost every day some members of a noble family would try to escape in them. They tried to slip in various disguises during different excuses, but they were always caught by the guards at the gate. So they used to try to escape from France by coming up with different disguise. They used to disguise. Disguise means be to become something else, to look like someone else, to change your look from a noble family, so that they won't be able to, so that the guards will not be able to recognize. To change somebody's look is called as disguise. So these peoples were trying to escape from France by making different excuses and by giving themselves a disguised look. But the guards at the gate used to always find them out. Okay, then they were, or after they were caught, they were beheaded. Sergeant Vibert at the West Gate was particularly clever. Now there was a sergeant. Children, who is a sergeant? Sergeant is an officer in the army. So there was a person called as Sergeant Army who was very much clever, and he was easily able to find out the people in disguise, and then after the trial they would be beheaded. He could recognize a person even in the most perfect disguise. So even if somebody has really made a lot of change to his or her face, but he used to find it would be a perfect, even if though it would be a perfect disguise, Sergeant Vibert used to recognize. When Vibert caught the person, it would be a quick trial and then the beheading. People gathered near the West Gate every evening to watch Vibert trap his victims. So every evening Vibert used to trap the victims. Today, the sergeants in command at the various lanes had special orders to be extra careful. So, the sergeants in the command at the various gates had special orders to be careful. Recently, many noble families had succeeded in escaping from France and reaching England safely, and there were strange stories about these escapes. So, today, the sergeants in command at the way they had special orders that they had to be very, very careful, because they had the news that many French people, the French noble people, were succeeded in leaving the place and leaving France with safety. People said these getaways were organized by a group of brave English women who risked their life to save the innocent nobles. Now, who organized these getaways? How did those noble people escape from France? So, these escapades were organized by a group of noblemen, a group of brave English noblemen who wanted to save the life of innocent nobles. They risked their own life in order to save the nobles. Their leader seemed extraordinarily clever. Okay. Now Sergeant Grosspierre. There is another one sergeant is Sergeant Vibert, and the another sergeant is Sergeant Grosspierre, who was in charge of the North Gate, had been beheaded for allowing a family to escape. And he had been beheaded because he had by mistake he had allowed a family to escape. No one had seen this mysterious Englishman, but his method of working was always the same. He would send a piece of paper signed with a little red-shaped flower called the scarlet pimpernel. A few hours after receiving the warning, the sergeants at the gates would hear that some high-class family had succeeded in escaping to England safely. So children, this scarlet pimpernel always had the same kind of working. He used to give an envelope. He would send a piece of paper in an envelope, and what was there on the piece of paper? It was a little star-shaped flower. That was his warning. So children, see, look at the bravery of these people, that they did not run. They were disguised, of course they were disguised, but they used to give a warning to the people in army that we are going to escape, and they used to give a piece of paper with a star-shaped flower on it, in order to say that we are planning an escapade. If you can find us out, you can find us out. Okay. So the number of guards at the gates had been increased. Okay. So now children, we are studying the incidents of Sergeant Grosspierre. How was Sergeant Grosspierre fooled by these noble people? There was also a sum of 5,000 francs promised to the man who would capture the Scarlet Pimpernel, as this mysterious Englishman was called. So now this mysterious Englishman even they had kept a prize. They had promised a prize that if somebody is able to capture Scarlet Pimpernel, they would be given 5,000 francs. People felt that Sergeant Vibert was sure to get the reward. Everybody was thinking that Sergeant Vibert would get the reward, but it was not Sergeant Vibert. Let us see what happens. Vibert said to his trusted corporal, Sergeant Grosspierre was a fool. Now children, who is a corporal? Corporal is a person who is having some lower rank in the army. If I had been at the North Gate last week, I would never have let them escape. So now we have to reading about the incident, that how Sergeant Grosspierre was fooled and how he allowed the family to escape. How did it happen, Sergeant? Asked the corporal. Grosspire was at the gate keeping watch that evening. So, what was Grosspire doing? Grosspire was at the gate and he was keeping a look at the gate. He was at the gate. Began by what? As the crowd came closer, eager to listen to the story. The market carts were going through the gate. There was one filled with barrels and driven by an old man with a boy beside him. So, the market carts were going through the gate. So, the market carts were going through the gate, and there was one filled with barrels. A lot of barrels were there, driven by an old man with a boy beside him. Grosspierre thought he was very clever. He looked into some of the barrels and found them empty. So what did he do? Because some people could hide in the barrels also, right? So what did Scarlet Pimpernel, what did the Sergeant Grosspierre do? Grosspierre, he searched over the barrels as well. He searched over the barrels also. He was very clever. He looked into some of the barrels and found them empty. So he let the carts go out of the gate. Half an hour later, a captain of the guard comes up with a dozen soldiers with them. So after that, what happened? The captain of a guard came to sergeant. Has a cart gone through? He asked Grosspierre breathlessly. So what happened, children? There was one cart which was filled with a lot of barrels. Sergeant Grosspierre thought that there could be people living in those barrels, and therefore he checked some of the barrels. He did not check all the barrels, he checked some of the barrels which were empty. So he allowed the cart to go. And then a group of army men, group of soldiers came to him saying, "Did you allow a cart just now? Has the cart gone through?" Grosspierre said, "Yes, a cart about a half an hour ago, a cart went from here." So now these captains said, "And you let them escape? You will go to guillotine for this, sergeant." What is guillotine, children? Guillotine is a machine which is used for cutting the heads of people. The Duke of Chalice and his entire family were in the cart. So what did he say? In the cart which he had just allowed, the cart in which barrels were there, in that cart, who was there? The Duke of Chalice and his entire family were hidden in that cart. Then the captain of the guard turned to his soldier. "After them, my men, after them." So he said, let us go now. After them means we should run after them and we should catch them. "Remember the reward, 5,000 francs. Chase them. They could not have gone far." And with that, he rushes through the gate, followed by the soldiers. So the captain says that this group of soldiers also went. Sergeant Bybot paused, but alas, the Duke family was not in the cart. The driver was not the Scarlet Pimpernel. So it was not actually the cart in which, no, the captain of the guard was the Scarlet Pimpernel, and every one of his soldiers were a member of noble family. So children, this is how they made a escape. It was not so what did Sergeant think? Sergeant think that the cart with barrels which he had allowed had the Duke of Chalice and his family. Okay, but it was not the cart in which all the family members were there. It was actually the person who had come to him with the information that he had allowed a cart which had the Scarlet Pimpernel, which had the Duke of Chalice. That group of soldiers were actually the members of the noble family, and this is how Sergeant Grosspierre was fooled by the nobleman. And the head, the person, the captain of the guard who had come to him was Mr. Scarlet Pimpernel. So children, how is the first escape? So let me first tell you once again. So this is the story which has been set out in the French Revolution. What happened during French Revolution? The common people had revolted against the nobles, and because they had come into power, they were killing the nobles. So the people who were trying to escape the death of these noble people were also getting killed. It was a very atmosphere with a lot of tension. But at that time, there was some group of some noble Englishmen who risked their own lives, who used to come to France and organize some escapades for the noble family. They used to risk their own life to help themselves from the innocent noblemen. So one such escapade was done by Scarlet Pimpernel. He was the head of these group of people who were helping the French people, French nobles run away from France to London and be safe. So this person was, his way of acting was very, his way of working was always the same. He would send a warning letter, he would send a piece of paper with a flower, kind of with a star shaped flower on it, and he would send it to the army. So the army would be really in very much alert that somebody should not escape. But Scarlet Pimple was able to escape because his disguise was not found by the people. So one such incident happened with Sergeant Grospire. Sergeant Grospire was at the guard at the evening city, at the gates of the city. He was watching the city that nobody should escape from there. And what happened, there was one cart came in which there were so many barrels in the car. There was one driver of the cart and a small boy was there. So he realized, sergeant thought that the nobleman could be hiding in those barrels. That's why he checked some of the barrels. He did not check all the barrels, he checked some of the barrels. And he allowed them to go. When he saw there was no sign of nobles in the cart, he allowed the cart to go. So now suddenly a group of soldiers came to him with their guard captain. Okay, they told him, just the cart which you have allowed had the nobles in him. Now Sergeant Grospire was surprised. Let's go and find them out. And these group of guards who had come to Sergeant, they went after the escape. They went after the card. They remember the award, that the award was 5,000 francs. Those people who would be able to catch hold of Scarlet Pimpernel. But what was the reality? There was no nobleman in the cart. These group of soldiers who had come, these group of guards who had come to Sergeant were actually the people of family from the noble family. So children, now there is one more sergeant, Sergeant Bybot, who is very famous and who is never fooled by the French people. Even the perfect disguise he is able to find out. So now we will find out in the next module that whether he is able to be guillotined because he will be fooled by the nobleman, or he will be able to find out the Scarlet Pimpernel. Thank you for listening, children.